Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies here today, and we are standing beside the VH1000. Brand new machine. We just got into the warehouse and got set up. The power's already hooked up, so if we flip the switch, we've got lights that come on inside the machine, so we know we're good there. Now we're gonna go through the process of filling this machine up and show you exactly how that needs to be done. The first thing we want to do is back here on the back of the machine, you want to make sure that these ball valves are actually closed. Because if not, once you start filling it up with water, you're gonna have a mess everywhere. Your diaphragm pump on your closed loop system, if you're running a closed loop, you'll have a hose coming off of the pump that should plug directly in to the back of the machine. That provides air to our pneumatic pump for our closed loop system. And then your hose will have a clamp on it. That clamp is gonna go right in that open hole, and there's a clip underneath. You'll push it and you'll hear it click and pop up. Once that's popped up, you know everything's in place. You can tug on it to make sure it's not gonna come out. Now we're gonna start filling the machine up with water. So let's go around to the other side. Inside this machine, you'll have multiple holes here in the back. This very top hole right here, you're gonna fill the water up to the very bottom edge of that hole, or just as it starts to run out. We're just gonna start filling the machine up with water. So as we're filling up our machine, once you see the water start coming through the overflow into your basins, you know you've got enough water in the machine. You have an option here. You can let it continue to run and fill up both basins, but we're gonna stop it and fill up the basins separately. So let's do that. Now you've got two basins. The bottom one, we wanna fill it up to about 1 inch from the top ledge. Then we're going to fill the top basin up right to the overflow pipe that's on the inside. All right, so we're good on water. This particular machine takes 32 pounds of abrasive. We're going to do a mixture in this one of glass bead and aluminum oxide. Now that that's done, we're going to hook our air up. And now we can get the rest of the media back down in the machine, just using the blast gun and the foot pedal. That's pretty much all you have to do to set up your machine. So if you have questions, give us a call. Phone number is 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.